All right, folks, same with Uconnect here. So we're sitting in the driver's seat, you're sitting in the passenger seat doing a little side seat drive, and you notice my clock is not accurately set. So what we need to do is we need to turn this ignition on. We don't need the engine running. We can just push the button without the brake pedal. So we'll go ahead and press that there, get everything lit up. And we're going to look over here at our radio. Now, please excuse the low light. I wanted you guys to be able to see the same screen I'm looking at here. So if we're anywhere else, if we're say on the radio or on something else, right, all we want to do is hit this apps button over here to the right. There we go. It'll bring up this screen. Now, you can press clock if you just want to see the clock, and you can see it's not quite right. So we're going to fix that right now. So we're going to go back to here and go to our settings. Now, on our settings, you can see we have a bunch of different options. If you saw my video on the brakes, we use this screen in that one as well. But we need that clock and date tab right there. So we're going to go ahead and click it. And then we can set the time. We can set the date. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set the time. Oops. All right, and it is approximately 1:14 right now in the afternoon. So we're just going to fix that. There it is. Now we can change it to 24-hour mode or back to 12-hour. Doesn't really matter. When we're done, just want to hit that done up in the top left there. And it's set for us. Now if we want to set the date, it is not January 17th, 2016. I imagine that we probably changed the battery on this thing and it reset. If you do change the battery, you are going to need to go and reset your date and time. But we're going to go ahead and change this. Whoops. Hit the wrong button there. All right. It is April the 7th. Who knew we were doing time travel today? So there we are, and we just hit done. And it's all set, and we can just go back to our regular menu here. All done. Thanks for joining me, guys.